Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Vice Chancellor, esteemed guests, powerful ladies from the chamber, Vice Chancellor, guests from Turkey, all the superstar students, Assalamu alaikum. I will take only 5 minutes because I know our Jummah hai. First of all, I want to apologize that I got here with a 45-minute delay because we were doing a live program and I'm holding this since the morning and this in my jacket. But there's 2-3 things that I want to speak out primarily. Speak about the power of artificial intelligence, which is, I think, the most important equalizer. As a country, we've missed a few things in the past 2-3 decades. I can go on and on about questions as a young Pakistani on where my IIT is, on what was done in AI for the past 3-4 years by us. So I think, speaking as Education Minister, I don't find a lot of big examples on where we've actually taken AI seriously. But this year, we are going to make 2 centers of excellence for the public sector and the private sector universities, so we can finally begin work on artificial intelligence, and we will facilitate all the government and private sectors, otherwise including the industry, on whatever work they can get done through artificial intelligence. I also want to announce I met the Honorable Vice Chancellor and we've actually started working together for the betterment of education. So हमेशा यही कहा जाता था कि public sector university students को scholarships दें, public sector university students को laptops दें. So inshallah, from the upcoming year, we have, well, for the last year we had 11 universities including LUMS, FAST, NUST, BNU and a lot of other big names, जिनमें हमने होनहार स्कॉलरशिप दी. इसका मतलब है कि आपकी 4 साल की फीस जो है वो चीफ मिनिस्टर पंजाब और होनहार स्कॉलरशिप से पे हो रही है. So this year we want to make Lahore Garrison University our partner as well, and inshallah the students from LGU will be eligible to apply for the said scholarship ताकि आप financially independent हो सकें. और साथ ही साथ लैपटॉप्स पब्लिक सेक्टर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्यों, प्राइवेट सेक्टर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी होने चाहिए. And I want to ask a very simple question to all of you. How important are gadgets and laptops for the students? Are they important? Can you please raise your hands and tell us how important they are? They are very important, right? So you think the Chief Minister's laptop program should continue and it should expand to the private sector universities? I will send this very sad request to the Chief Minister, and inshallah, the vision is that we are never going to ask you which political party you voted for. We are never going to deny or give you a scholarship on what your race and religion is, because we believe that every student who dreams big, who wants to excel, our Chief Minister has given me this mandate that our access to higher education, we were just speaking about it, I met a great lady from here, from this university, who's working in the rural villages, that our access to higher education, so Bangladesh में इस time higher education में 17-18% बच्चे translate हो रहे हैं, इंडिया में 26 से 28% हो रहे हैं, हमारे पास सिर्फ 8% हो रहे हैं. So our game should be, our plan exactly is the same way, that in the next 5 years our access to higher education should at least double and we should beat Bangladesh and be very close to India. And then our global international rankings for our universities. I'm telling the students the right disciplines to study. So हमने होनहार स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम में जो 67 डिसिप्लिन्स एलिजिबल किए वो कौन से हैं? वो डिसिप्लिन्स हैं जो पूरी दुनिया में 2050 तक जिनकी डिमांड है, जिनसे आपकी एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, जिनसे आपको बाहर के ममालिक में जाने का मौका मिलेगा. आई वाज रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर कि ये अलाइड हेल्थ साइंसेज की स्ट्रीम फॉरेन से शुरू करें, और हमारी जो होनहार स्कॉलरशिप है इसका 62% of the total number is going to female students, which is a big advancement towards women empowerment, because जब तक हम ख़वातीन को equal opportunities नहीं देंगे, we need to understand, we need to accept this, that it is difficult to move forward unless we give equal opportunities to all the females. So we're giving out scooties to the students. We've started a fund for the young entrepreneurs to apply, where they can fulfill their dreams through a program or a project that they submit for funding to the provincial government. And last part, through our school outsourcing program, we've outsourced about 11,000 schools. 1,15,000 जॉब्स हमने क्रिएट की हैं, और स्कूल्स हम किन्हें दे रहे हैं? आप जैसे यंगस्टर्स को who graduate from here and are looking for resources. They have the drive, they have the vision, they can do all the minute that is required. They are just in need of the resources. जब हमने अपना स्कूल और resources उन young लोगों को दिए हैं, trust me, I was in UMP yesterday. वहाँ के 9 ग्रेजुएट्स ने हमारे स्कूल्स लिए, एंड 1 स्कूल इन फिरोजपुर रोड जिसमें सिर्फ 18 बच्चे थे, अब वहाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 250 बच्चे पढ़ते हैं 6 महीने बाद. एंड वी आर सेविंग टैक्स पेयर्स मनी एज वेल, because we are spending over 4,000 on a student, and through the school outsourcing we are spending only 1,500. Making EdTech schools, working around to school children, very massively linking every kid with Nadra, because my dream is that every kid should be in the schools. And leading from the front, मैंने अपने बेटे को एक सरकारी स्कूल में दाखिल कराया ताकि आप सबका ट्रस्ट बन सके सरकारी स्कूल्स पे. I am doing everything that I have in my capacity. My chief minister donates his salary. I donate my salary every month to the star teachers and underprivileged children. We are bringing in scholarships for the students who dream big but don't have the resources. We are bringing in laptops on the 30th of April, inshallah, ek hafta reh gaye. We are giving out scooties to the females who want to access their higher education, universities and colleges. We started our pink buses, we did the pink games, and now, inshallah, I was giving the good news to Honorable Vice Chancellor कि इस summers में, inshallah, 600 electric buses आ रही हैं पंजाब में. And Chief Minister has been very kind कि हमारे major routes जो हैं, all of the students of Punjab will have a student card and free transport facility for the entire province. आप लाहौर से भावलपुर जाना चाहें for a course in IUB Bahawalpur, BZU Bahawalpur, your travel is going to be free. You want to travel to your university, your travel is going to be free. And smartly, we talk about sustainability. Because the buses are electric, the Vice Chancellor also will not have any PUL or fuel charges to pay. So with this dream, with this vision, with this wish, with this prayer that we young people can turn things around, and I at 38 years, I am an example in front of all of you. मैं पहली दफ़ा पार्लियामेंट में आया, मैं पहली दफ़ा एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बन गया, and we honestly are doing our best. So given the chance, young people can do wonders, and every political party says this. So this is one tip that I want to give to you, that हर political party आपको आगे यही कहेगी कि 65% नंबर जो है वो यूथ का अंडर 35 है, उनके लिए बहुत काम कर रहे हैं. बट हमारे पास 3 एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. पंजाब में प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट है PMLN की, सिंध में प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट है पीपल्स पार्टी की, और KP में प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट है PTI की. तो आप यंग लोगों को मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि तीनों जो हमारी प्रोविंशियल कैबिनेट्स हैं उनकी एवरेज एज निकालें, और जिसमें यंग लोग ज़्यादा हैं उसने यंग लोगों के लिए काम किया. दैट इज़ अ फेयर जस्टिस टू एवरीबडी. सो गॉड इज गिवन यू ब्रेन्स टू थिंक with sane brains on who you want to vote for. That is not our domain. But inshallah, rest assured, for the next 4 years, your stories are going to be printed in The Economist. The Indian Times will write about you. We will forget the Indian Punjab revolution under Kejriwal, and inshallah ta'ala, this education revolution in Punjab is going to be #1 in the world, because one belief that I have is everything else in the world can wait. Education cannot wait a second, not anymore. Thank you very much.